Plumbing refers to the system of pipes, fixtures, and other devices used to convey and distribute water and remove waste in buildings. It involves the installation, repair, and maintenance of water supply lines, drains, sewage systems, and related equipment. Plumbers are skilled professionals who specialize in working with plumbing systems. They ensure that water is properly supplied, drained, and vented in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Plumbing systems can include various components such as pipes, valves, faucets, toilets, sinks, showers, water heaters, and sewage systems. Plumbing plays a crucial role in providing clean and safe water for drinking, bathing, cooking, and other everyday tasks. It also ensures the proper disposal of wastewater to prevent environmental contamination and maintain public health. Plumbers use their expertise to design, install, and repair plumbing systems according to building codes and regulations. They may work in new construction projects, renovations, or provide maintenance and troubleshooting services for existing systems. It's important to consult licensed and experienced plumbers for any plumbing-related issues to ensure the system functions safely and efficiently. With multiple locations throughout North Shore and northwest suburbs of Chicago, Illinois, Emergency Plumbing offers prompt and professional plumbing services. Phone 224-754-1984.